Hello, this is Chaplain Chuck. How are you? Thank you for dropping by. I just want to let you know the channel is going live March of 2026. I've just been busy for months just filling it with content, and there's some things that we're not quite ready yet. I'm doing a radical acceptance uh, workshop, which is a concept that really is a main foundation of my life. I wanted to share that with you. We have some other films coming up shortly as well, so please be patient and stop back. And for enrichment and also help, because so many of us have anxiety, many of us are going through recovery or recovery programs, or just dealing with stresses in life and just all the bumps that come along in life that can throw us off. And so we're going to try to provide all kinds of resources for you. And so come join us, okay? Thank you.